Have you ever wondered how someone can see every single text, photo, and call on a WhatsApp account without ever touching the target phone or installing a single piece of software? It sounds like something out of a high-budget spy movie, but in the next few minutes I'm going to pull back the curtain on the invisible methods used to bridge the gap between two devices remotely. Most people think you need physical access or complex coding skills to monitor a partner's activity, but the reality of modern network signals and cloud synchronization tells a much different story. Stay tuned, because what I'm about to reveal is the exact sequence of steps that bypasses traditional security, and once you understand the logic behind it, you'll never look at your phone the same way again. Before we dive into the deep end of these remote protocols, a very important notice: this video is for educational purposes only. We do not advise or encourage anyone to use the information in this video to infiltrate someone's privacy or engage in any unauthorized monitoring. Understanding these vulnerabilities is about protection and awareness, not exploitation. If you need more resources and professional help regarding this specific situation, make sure you check the pinned comment or the video description right now for all the details. Now, before we get into the first method, I want to hear from you. Do you think mobile privacy is actually a thing in 2026, or is everything we do already being watched? Drop a comment below with the word privacy if you think we're being tracked, or open if you think we're still safe. I respond to as many of you as I can. To understand how remote spying works without an app, you first have to understand the concept of mirroring via web architecture. WhatsApp isn't just an app on your phone, it is a live database that is constantly searching for a mirror. Most users are familiar with the standard linking process. But what they don't realize is that a session can be hijacked through a browser's developer tools if both devices are on a synchronized network frequency. Hackers use a technique called session token persistence. By capturing the specific data packet sent during a background refresh, a remote entity can simulate a secondary device identity. This means the server thinks the spy is actually the owner. This is exactly how people find themselves being watched without ever seeing a new device logged into their settings. It's about the invisibility of the token, not the visibility of the app. If this is starting to make sense and you want to stay ahead of these digital threats, hit that like button and subscribe to Fastest Fix right now. Your support helps us keep bringing you these deep dives into mobile security. Moving on to the second pillar of remote access: cloud backup interception. This is honestly perhaps the most common way partners are caught. You don't need to hack the app if you can hack the storage. Both Android and iOS devices are, constantly uploading encrypted databases to the cloud. However, the encryption key is often tied to the account credentials rather than the hardware itself. If someone gains access to the linked email or cloud storage, they can download the entire message history and inject it into a virtual machine. This allows them to scroll through years of messages, deleted photos, and even voice notes without ever needing the physical phone in their hand. It's a silent extraction that leaves zero footprints on the device being monitored. It's a terrifyingly simple loophole that relies on the user's trust in their cloud provider. Are you finding this information useful? Don't forget to share this video with a friend who needs to tighten up their security. The third method involves the use of SS7 signaling vulnerabilities. This is high-level stuff that sounds complicated because it is. SS7 is the protocol used by networks to route calls and texts. By exploiting a weakness in this global system, it's possible to redirect the SMS verification code required to register a WhatsApp account on a new device. The spy doesn't need to see your screen to get the code. They intercept it at the network level. Once they have that 6-digit PIN, they can clone your entire account onto a secondary tablet or PC in seconds. This is why you might suddenly see your WhatsApp log out for no reason. If that happens, someone might be using the SS7 redirect on you. Again, check the pinned comment for resources if you suspect your network has been compromised. The final piece of the puzzle is the use of social engineering combined with browser cache hijacking. This doesn't require a single line of code. It simply requires the target to click a specifically crafted link that looks like a standard YouTube or news article. Behind that link is a script that executes a cookie grab. This script steals the active login session from the mobile browser. If the target has ever logged into WhatsApp Web on their phone's browser, that session is now live in the hands of the sender. They can open their own browser, paste the cookie, and instantly they are inside your private chats. No app installed, no physical access, just one wrong click. This is the fastest way people are being monitored today. Make sure you are subscribed to Fastest Fix so you never miss these critical updates on how to stay protected in the digital age. Check that description for more help and I will see you in the next one. And, hey, make the background music suspenseful.